Hello friends, this is Bhavatosh here. Welcome to my channel, Perfect Analyst. So we are continuing our DAX problem series, and today is the fourth applications of one more function called summarize function. So how the questions will come right in interview or whether it's an exam, a certification exam. Imagine if you have a Power BI datasets. So you will be asked to create another table from the main table. So the question, like, you have Power BI datasets with table having product category, subcategory. You have sales of each product category or subcategory, and few more attributes or parameters like profit, discount, etc. So in you can see here, this is your main table. Okay, this is the datasets, and you have been asked to create another table specific to certain columns. So you need to create a new table where only specified column need to be displayed there. So what is the function you will be using here is summarize function. Whenever you are creating a subset of a main table with a specific columns in the new tables you want to display, always remember you have to use the summarize function, summarize DAX function. For example, here this is your main table, and we have many columns here, like like product subcategory, profit, quantity order, sales, order ID, discount. Now, if you want to create another table where you want only product subcategory and sales to be displayed, so how you are going to do that? You have to use the summarize function. Okay. So straight away I'll go to the Power BI desktop and I will show you how we can achieve this. So this is your Power BI desktop and I have already uploaded the data here. So this is our data set. If you can see table view, you can see the data sets. We have order table, we have return table and user table. So I'll go to the order table, and just to fit in this PowerPoint presentation, I have just taken few column from here so that it can fit here. But there are many columns here. But the purpose is like need to create a separate table, right? Where you need these two information, product subcategory and sales. So what I will do is I will create a new table here as asked to do that. I need to create new table in order. Okay, so this is the new table created. I will rename it as new table maybe. Okay, underscore subcategory. For subcategory, I need to get the data right. So I'll choose this new table subcategory. Sub is the new table name, and I will use the summarize function. In summarize function, it will ask you first the table name. So in which table, which is the main table? It means from which table you want to extract the information in this new table. So I will use the orders. Orders is the table. So from this order table, we have many columns, right? From many columns, and from here I am taking only two columns. One is product subcategory, another column is sales. That's why I'm choosing orders table. Okay, then comma. It is asking group by column name. So now I need to choose the columns headings. So first column is product subcategory, and second column is sales. Okay, so remember this is for the table name you have given, and this is for the product category. And always remember, whenever this square bracket is there, right, it means that this is the column name and this is your table name. Here this is your column name and this is the table name. It means within this table there is a column called sales. Here within this order table there is a column called product category. So do remember like this so that it will be easy for you. So if now I will close this bracket, what will happen? It will create two separate columns in the table name called new table sub, right here. Okay, but the problem is not solved yet. If you can see here, there are repetition, right, because one product category is repeatedly present, and for each id the sales is given here. But I don't want the output like this. I showed you in the beginning that I want the duplicate has to be removed and the summation has to be there for each subcategory, right? I only want the individual product subcategory sales data. So how to achieve that one? So here there is a trick here. So what I will do is I need to create another measure here. That measure will give me the total sales. Okay. So I will create one more measure in this order table. This is for summation of or the total sales. Okay. Total sales. So I'll use the function summation sum function and I will choose the sales, order sales, right? Enter. So I have created new measure, and this measure I will pass in the new table summarize function. So how to pass that one? I need to remove this column because I don't want individual sales. I want summation of sales first for each category, product subcategory. Okay. I think I have done one mistake here. 1 minute. Here product subcategory, right? Yeah. So I think I have done for categories. I need to choose here not category subcategory, right? Product subcategory I need to choose. Correct? Yeah. Okay. Now just a minute. Order sales. Yeah. Now it is coming product subcategory. So now the twist is like here we have only product subcategory data and here sales data, right? And it is repeated. But I want like this. For each category, I should be able to get the sales data. So how to achieve that? So since I have already created one measure called total sales, right? So I am going to use that total sales measure. I am going to pass that here. So first thing I will give the double quote the sales data. Okay. Then I will choose the measure total sales and I'll close this bracket. So what will happen here? It will take that total sales from the sales column and it will not be repeated here. Okay. And then if I'll enter here, you can see, right? all this repetition of product subcategory is removed now. Okay, so this is how you have to use summarize function if there are repetition of the same category, and the interview or any question will come like this. Then you need to use in addition to summarize function, you have to use this measure here. First you need to get the summation of total sales. Okay, you need to pass that measure here to get the sales for each subcategory, and there will not be any repetition here. Okay, and I hope this is clear. I have taken here only very small number of subcategory just to fit that in this in this PowerPoint. Okay, so but this is your result. So please do remember this summarize function, how to use this, and what is the application of it in real time project. So whenever you are doing any sales data analysis, if sales profit information analysis you are doing, right, this type of scenario will come very frequently, where you need to find another table to show you. This is kind of pivot table in Excel sheet when you are working in Excel, right? That it will remove all these duplicates, and it will find only specific category and show you the total sales or profit or any other attributes there. I hope it is very clear. If you have any question, you can write in comments and I'll be happy to answer. Thank you so much for watching my video.